In West Yorkshire, we're committed to bringing an end to road deaths and serious injuries by 2040. Forensics plays a vital role in helping us to build a clear picture of what's happened when a collision unfortunately does occur. Drawing upon the latest innovations in technology, a team of forensic experts based in West Yorkshire investigate fatal and life-threatening collisions across Yorkshire and the Humber. These findings help to determine the factors contributing to the incident and can help us to make informed decisions on how we can make our roads safer for all.
So here at the Forensic Collision Investigation Unit, we attend scenes of fatal or potentially fatal collisions across Yorkshire and the Humber. We get there as soon as we can in order to capture the best evidence possible. After we've attended the scene of the collision and where we've collated and gathered all the evidence together, we then produce a forensic report, a package which would go to either into the criminal justice system or the coroner. If we can produce an accurate package of information to put together, it then better aids their decision making ultimately to find out the responsible cause or responsible party involved in the incident. Something that I feel very passionate about is the fact that I feel like we're there to do the job because perhaps there may be sadly a deceased person that may not be able to present the evidence for themselves. So our impartial work should be able to establish the circumstances and the truth behind the incident to ultimately lead to the correct outcome.